In today's video, I'm going to be trading and trying to flip a $600 to about $5,000. So the first part is me explaining why I actually took this trade, and the second part contains the live video of the trading itself. So I urge you guys to watch this video to the very end. Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you the reason why I actually took the gold trade. Right, I'm just going to explain everything. Okay, so I want you guys to stay tuned. So already you can tell that the gold market is actually in an uptrend. Okay, so the gold market is in an uptrend, and so since the market is in an uptrend, what do? You look for buy opportunities. So as you can see here, the market has actually created a high at around close to almost 240 level before actually retracing back. Okay, before retracing back, all right, and then created a low. So and then again, what happened? The market left a demand zone within this level. Okay, the market came back, retested, and swept that demand zone. Okay, I took my buys. Okay, I took my buys already from here. Okay, but let me explain. Let me go down a bit to actually explain to you the reason why I actually took that buys. So we're going to go down to the 5 minutes time frame. So right now we are on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so I'm using my phone to actually run this analysis for you guys. So on the 5 minute time frame, what can we actually see? Okay, from the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that this market was actually creating highs, created a high here, created a low, created a high, and then came back, swept this area, and then created another high, and then pulled back, provide structural liquidity, and then move to the upside. So seeing that, already I have an idea of what the market is actually trying to do. You know that this market already is in an uptrend, and then it came back after hitting the 240 level. Okay, 240 level, then it came back. All right, since that I already have that in mind, what happens? I mark this area out. Okay, this becomes my sweep of liquidity. All right, so after that, there is a break of structure here, and then there is a pullback. Okay, there is a first break of structure, and then there is a pullback. That pullback does provide structural liquidity. So as you guys can see, we have a pullback which created structural liquidity. So we're just going to draw this and take it a bit further. Okay, so I'm just going to go and do some settings here. There's okay, yeah, I'm going to extend. Nah, not that. Nope. So I'm just going to go ahead and extend this to my right a bit. So this, okay, just going to go ahead and extend this. Okay, so that structural liquidity, it's meant to be swept later on. Okay, so after the structural liquidity was created, okay, which is this, the market created a second break of structure. Okay, market created the second break of structure. So you can clearly see that second break of structure right there. Okay, market created the second break of structure, which you can clearly see it right here. Okay, so the market created a second break of structure, and then it came back after hitting the high of 240. The high of 240. Okay, after hitting the high of 240, then it came back, swept that structural liquidity, and then tapped into our POI, and I saw that as an opportunity to buy. Okay, so that as an opportunity to buy. And remember guys, here becomes our protected low. Okay, here becomes our protected low, and then here becomes our structural liquidity, fam. There's our structural liquidity, and here, right here, is our POI. So to mark the POI clearly, you just have to zoom in a little bit. Okay, you just have to zoom in a little bit. Okay, so the chart is actually loading now. All right, let me reset. Okay, chart is actually loading now. Okay, so to mark the structural liquidity, we go to the 15 minutes time frame. We pick our rectangle and then we mark it just like that, and then extend it to the left. Okay, so the setup is already set. Okay, so on the 1 minute time frame, okay, or the 1 minute time frame, you can see how the market kissed into that area and then give us that engulfing candlestick, which you can clearly see right here. Okay, so that was when we had our first entries in, farm. We had our first entries in, and then I had my first entries in, and then stop loss just slightly below that area, and then I started adding more entries around this. Started adding more entries around this area here. Started adding more entries around this area. Okay, and then my stop loss was already moved to break even, as you guys would see in the video. Okay, so you guys will see in the video. So, and I took my profit somewhere. Took my profit somewhere there as around 100 pips here. Took my profit somewhere there. So that's why I took my profit, and I show you guys the exact same reason why I actually took the profit, guys. So that's that. Now let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. So you can see how this trade played out beautifully well. Okay, I took my profit because of this area right here. Okay, the area proved to be some form of resistance in the past. Okay, after taking the profit, you can clearly see how the market actually dropped. Okay, so on the 5 minutes on the video, I marked out this candle. Okay, when I saw that candle, it was the reason why I actually took my profit from. So that's that. So right here, I think I will want to close some positions. Okay, let me close some positions so that I can give the account the leverage to actually take this trade, and probably add some more positions later on. Okay, so I'm just gonna break even now, so that whatever happens, guys, I know the account is safe. Okay, I don't want to go into too much drawdown. All right. So I'm going to add some more positions. Why? Because I think the market is about to make a high. So let me add more positions and see where it takes us. Okay, so I've been trying to add more. All right, seems more like it's only one that I can add for now. But well, if more opportunity presents itself, I will definitely add. Okay. So it seems more like the market is finding it difficult to break above this area. Okay. A few moments later, we went into some massive drawdown, and right now the market is actually coming back to profit, as you guys can see. So let's continue to wait and see how it goes, fam. So guys, finally the market is actually breaking above. So let's see what happens. So based on what is happening now, I think I will scale in because the market is about to break above. So let me just add some more positions and see how it goes, guys. I'll keep you guys posted and updated. our target, and I'm actually seeing some rejections, which invariably means I would start closing some positions. Okay, so let me just see how this candle closes. If it closes negatively, I'm gonna close out some of the positions. So let me just see. Right here you can see that I've been able to back some positions. Okay, I've been able to close some positions. Why? Because the market is actually reacting to this level right there. Okay, market is actually rejecting. Like I told you guys, that if the market actually rejects at that area, I'm actually gonna close. All right, I've already explained these prior, like due to the introduction of this video before the live trade, so you can clearly see that rejection there. So that's the more reason why I actually close. And if care is not taken, I'm also going to close the positions below that my lower positions, which are on break even, because from the look of things this might actually drop all the way down again. From my observation, the London session is coming to an end, so I'm going to close and trade the New York session. Sorry fam, for the New York session I was just too busy to record. As you guys can see, we're able to smash the take profit target. Okay, we're able to take the trades, and you see we're able to flip a $500 to a $5,000. All right, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.